Hello everyone, welcome to SiteSaga. Today we'll learn how to hide the WordPress site until ready. So we have come up with 5 easy and effective ways to do so. You can use any one of them at your convenience. So let's begin. The first method is using a coming soon or maintenance mode plugin. There are several such plugins available on the market. Out of many, we are choosing the SeedProd plugin here. So firstly, log into your WordPress dashboard, then navigate towards the left side. Now go to the plugin section and click on the Add New button. After that, on the top right corner search bar, type SeedProd. Following that, click on the Install Now button and after a while, activate it. With that, you will directly be taken to SeedProd page. Here, as the button is inactive by default, click on it to make it active. Then click on Set up a coming soon page option. After that, you'll be directed to a page as shown. Here, you can choose from any given templates. For now, let's choose a Rocket coming soon page template. Once you click on it, you'll see SeedProd's visual editor section. You can further edit the page, whether it be headline, text, list, or even image. Following that, click on the side arrow of the Save button at the top right corner. Afterward, click on the Publish button. Moving on, the second method is to private your posts or pages. This way, you can hide a particular post until it's ready. Now, let's look into the following steps to apply. For now, let's create a new post that you want to hide from your visitor until it's ready. To do so, go to Posts and click on the Add New option. Next, you'll get a new post editor. On the right navigation, you'll see the visibility option where there is public by default. Now, you need to change it to private. To do so, simply click on it. Afterward, you'll be asked if you'd like to privately post it. Then click on the OK. And there you go with a private post. Similarly, another method is to utilize password protection to conceal your WordPress site until it's ready. There are various plugins available to password protect your WordPress website. Here, we are using the password protected WordPress plugin to do so. From your dashboard, go to the plugin section and click on the Add New button. After that, on the top right corner search bar, type password protected. Following that, click on the Install Now button and shortly activate it. Now, you can either directly go Settings option from here or go to the Settings section in the left navigation of your dashboard and you'll find the option Password Protected at the button. Click on it. Now, on this directed page, you need to make certain changes. First one is Password Protected status. Simply enable it. Likewise, you can find various sub boxes such as Allow Administrators, Allow Logged in users, and so on. If you check any one of these boxes, users with that access will not be required to enter a password. Now, you need to type in the password you'd want to use for your website. Similarly, you can set the number of days to keep the same settings constant to hide your WordPress site. Once done, click on the Save Changes option at the bottom. Next method to hide your WordPress site is by turning off the search engine visibility of your website. For that, simply go to the settings section in the left navigation. On clicking it, you will find the option Reading. Then click on it. Now, on the shown page, you can see the option Discourage search engines from indexing the site at the bottom. Enable this option and click on the Save Changes option. Shortly, you'll get the information updated notification. Lastly, you can build your WordPress website locally on your computer via Jam. You can develop, make necessary changes on the local site and then take it online when it's ready. With that, we have come to the end. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching us. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.